welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food lair. Today we're going to be making pumpkin cheesecake muffins. This is going to consist of a crumb topping, a pumpkin muffin, and a cheesecake filling. Now, let's get started. 1/4 cup light brown sugar, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup melted butter. You take the sugar, the cinnamon, and the flour, and you mix. Then you add the melted butter. And you mix it in there. These are our ingredients for the muffin. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 2/3 cup light brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup pumpkin puree or pure pumpkin, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/3 cup milk, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Mixing 1 3/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, baking soda, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 1/2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, and mix it all together. In another bowl, mix 2/3 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, make sure I mix them together, 1 cup pumpkin puree or pure pumpkin, 1/2 cup of oil, that looks good already, and we mix it. Vanilla extract, one-third cup milk. Now pour this right here into that right there. All this with the pumpkin puree and the milk goes into the dry ingredients, not the crumbs. And you mix it all in. There's a better tool for this. The cheesecake filling starts with cream cheese. 6 ounces for this one. Make sure it becomes nice and creamy. At room temperature, whisk it, stir it, warm it up a little bit, do what you have to do. Then you add in the egg right here. 1 egg yolk. And stir that in. Cheesecake. 3 tablespoons of sugar. That's 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sugar. And we get that sugar in there. That'll taste like cheese. Cheesecake. Now that we have our crumb topping, our batter, and our cheesecake, we're going to mix the muffin, the cheesecake, mix it together, put it in the cups here, the muffin pan, and then we're going to put the crumb topping on top of them. We're going to make sure that they don't overflow when they bake and puff out. So let's get these combined into these cups. What you're going to want to do is get non-stick spray the muffin pan, or you can get the cupcake liners. Those are good too. I'm more of a spray, non-stick spray. There we go. Put that over to the side. All right, let's get these things filled up. So what you're going to want to do is you put the breading, then the cheesecake, then the breading, then the crumble topping. Are you with me now? That's how it's going to be put in there. Cheesecake's going to go in the middle. So when it goes in the oven and comes out, it's going to be pretty interesting. Add another whole batch of cheesecake filling. You see how the different batches are different. You can add a double cheesecake layer, or add more of the crumb topping, or add more cinnamon. It's very versatile into how you make yours. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you would add to yours. Would you add more crumb? Would you add more cheesecake? Or would you just leave it just as is? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'm going to go ahead and eat this one.